All right, my name is Tim Poplo. I'm the ranger here. I'm one of two rangers that work for the city of Cambridge here at Fresh Pond Reservation. Our primary jobs here is law enforcement of animal control and water quality and other park-related duties, as well as public outreach, education, and volunteer coordination and community engagement. So this will be the 6th year that we have released live monarch butterflies onto our property, which we raise in captivity here in the building. This is an important thing because populations of monarch butterflies are declining, and we're doing our little part to help the local populations of monarch butterflies. Monarch butterflies are what we call charismatic megafauna. People tend to care more about animals that they can have a personal connection to. Monarch butterflies are one of those animals that the public really enjoys, and they can get behind conservation efforts if it's in the name of these monarch butterflies. So not only is this a way to help the biological health of our area and our nation, since they are a migratory animal, but it's another way to engage the public and have them more interested in outdoor things, pollinators, and the biological sciences. Monarch butterflies, by nature, are somewhat difficult in the fact that their young can only eat one type of leaf. That is a leaf that belongs to the milkweed family. So year after year we plant more milkweed in order to have proper food for our caterpillars. At older age, they can eat a leaf per caterpillar per day. So we raise all the caterpillars in captivity. So what we do to protect them is keep them in clean cages. We do need to wash every single milkweed leaf that we harvest before we feed them, since milkweed is also host to other animals such as parasites, worms, slugs, snails, wasps, aphids, things that could make these caterpillars ill. You notice they go to the bathroom a lot because each one can eat a whole leaf every day, and that means that whole leaf comes out the other end. These caterpillars shed their skin 5 times before they become butterflies. And the final time is when they pupate. They turn into a chrysalis, which grows from within them, and rather than a moth which forms a cocoon around its body, the caterpillars for the butterflies, they shed their skin and the chrysalis emerges from within them. And after 2 weeks, a butterfly will emerge from this chrysalis. Once they're adults, they're out on the world to drink from any flower they wish. And what we do to help protect them is not so much by protecting the butterfly themselves, but we protect the property. Here at Fresh Pond, we are protecting the drinking water reservoir. And the best way to do that is to keep a healthy watershed. And year after year for this project, we plant and protect more milkweed. We are an official monarch way station. Monarch butterflies are facing a global reduction. In North America, conservation can't be in one location. As a migratory species, they overwinter in Mexico, and they fly as far north as Canada. It's important to spread awareness and education about the monarch butterfly everywhere between Mexico and Canada, because no one monarch butterfly makes it from Cambridge, Massachusetts to Mexico and back to Cambridge. That's a multi-generational journey. And if there are no milkweed plants in Tennessee or Georgia or Alabama where they have to pass through in order to sustain their species and not freeze in our harsh winters here in New England, we need to make sure there's a clear pathway, because they rely on such intricate balances in nature that if something were to go wrong, they'll be our canary in the coal mine to let us know that somewhere along the line there's an ecological issue in the United States.